Please show me your ID. Okay, this is your reality test. My name is Navneet Kaur and I'm here to conduct your speaking session. Your name is?
My name is Gurpinder Singh.
Gurpinder Singh, and your candidate number is 111072. Okay, what is your full name?
My full name is Gurpinder Singh.
How may I call you?
You can call me by my first name Gurpinder.
Okay, do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name because it is given by my mom, and I like my name.
Okay, who named you? Please tell me.
My mother gave me name.
Okay, let's talk about hats. Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, I like to wear hats because hats are very necessary when while driving. Hats are very necessary to wear.
Okay, what kind of hats do you have?
I have many hats, but I give more preference to hard hats because when we wear hats, then we are safe while driving.
Okay, where do you like to buy hats?
In my hometown there are many shops, but there is no good quality products, so that's why I give more preference to outdoor markets and purchase anything from outdoor markets.
Okay, is wearing hats popular in your country?
I think some of the people wear hats for their safety, and on the other side, some people never wear hats because they break laws which are making by government, and they didn't follow the rules. So some people are wearing or some are not.
Let's talk about smiling. What are the most common things that make people smile?
I think when anybody talk with each other, then they are smiling, and when a person do make some jokes with each other, then people then the smile, then people's face are smiling.
Okay, why do you think the smiling pose is so common in photos?
I believe that when people review our old memories, then they can easily collected photos are very essential in everybody's life because we can easily review our old memories, and in the pictures when in my country when people collect some pictures, then they are always happy.
How do you feel when children smile?
When children are smiling, when they have many toys and some smartphones, then they can then they are very happy.
Okay, this is the end of part 1 of your speaking. Now let's move to part 2 of your speaking. This is your cue card list, and open cue card number 5. Please take this. Okay, your cue card is describe a time you shared something with someone. You have 1 minute to prepare it. Here is your notepad. Please start. Please start speaking.
I share many things with my friends, but here I would like to talk about when I share a project file of history which are given by my teacher of history. I share with my friends. I have many problems related to my project. I don't know how to make this project, but after some time my friend gave me a suggestion about this project, and I don't have computer, and he shared with his computer with me, and I am very happy and proud feel on them. After some time I went to my friend's home to make my project, and I don't know how to start my project, but I share this problem with my friend, and my friend suggest me to firstly explain all the data which are related to my project, and we were doing together related to my project, and hence that was the time when I shared something with my friend.
Okay, let's move to part 3 of your speaking session. I'll ask you some follow-up questions. Please answer that. What was the last thing you remember you shared with someone?
Please repeat again.
What was the last thing that you remember that you shared with someone?
I believe that currently I do a test of international language, and after some time I share with my friends. I share with my friends related to my exam, and
Okay, what is your personal opinion on sharing?
I think sharing is very essential in everybody's life. When we share our ideas with each other, then we can easily do better, perform next time. And for example, when if I share with my friends related to my exam, then I do not face any difficulties related to my exams.
What kind of things are not suitable for sharing?
I think in my country there are many type of people, but some are extrovert, or some people are introvert, and some people share all the things with each other, but sometimes some things are not possible to share with each other, and like some things are personal, so that's why people do not share these things with each other.
Okay, this was all about your speaking. Thank you. You may go now.
चलन लग गया फिर दुश्मन स्पीकिंग लाऊंगी हो गया फिर
एक भेजनी है
भेज दा ले लूंगी ना मैं
थोड़ा